Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to activate and use NFC on iPhone. Let's get started. So, NFC is built in into modern iPhones. Here's how to use it for Apple Pay, scanning NFC tags and more. For Apple Pay, open the wallet and add card if you haven't already. And when paying, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see done. Also, most iPhones are automatically reads NFC tags when the screen is on. Just hold the top of the iPhone close to the tag. And for older iPhones, open the third-party NFC app and to scan the tags. You can also use the Control Center NFC tag reader, and it's optional. And you can also write or program tags that you'll need the third party. Just open the app and choose write and follow the app steps and hold the iPhone to the blank tag. Quick tips. There's no global NFC on or off toggle. NFC is enabled by default for Apple Pay and tag reading. For best result, keep the screen awake and place the top edge of the iPhone close to the tag or reader. And that's it. NFC on iPhone is easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.